This 5-minute solution will show you how to change server region on Discord. Go to the server and click on server name, server settings, and if I scroll down here, as you can see, no option to change country or region. So to change your server region, all you have to need, just go to your server, and now you have to edit a channel to change region. So I'm right clicking on my general channel and clicking on edit channel. Select overview and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will get the option to change your server region. So that's how we will be able to change server region. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.